Here comes Lupie. He's a weird lazy going to get Lupie, our black cat. Watch what he does. He loves like.
It's just beautiful. The paint job.
Lupie, you. Watch this. Right between his legs. Don't know why. He loves that. What's wrong with you? Check his butthole, Lane.
His tail's over here.
Lane's checking his butthole.
It's his tail, see it?
Butthole kitty.
I really wanted to kind of walk in there.
He's got a kitty butthole on his brain.
No wormies. He's got no worms. He's healthy. Can you hear that, folks? That's me patting his behind.
I swear again. That's what he does.
And that was supposed to be his assistant.
Yeah. Well, where does he get the money to hire the guy? I mean, you know, pay the guy. And why? All he did was buy a friend. I mean, the guy's just... I don't think he's that funny either.
No. What the hell is all that?
Guys like me, you know, I don't care about that.
Look at, he's wearing a shirt, he's got all this dirty crap
Well, no.
on his neck. See ya.